right. So interesting discovery when we reviewed the tape. There was a bug yesterday, but that's not what happened. And I realized up here, I meant to say, I said, I was in, excuse me. I said copy the header, but then I said I need a new hero. So I gave mixed instructions, and that's why we have this doc nav over here, because now I see that, oh, it actually copied the header because I told it to. So I can go remove the element. And now we're down to the 2. And just for kicks, this needs to be finessed, obviously. But we go partials hero. 2 subscribers. Oh. Oh, well, obviously. See, that's actually how it's supposed to work and not what I thought it would. Well, actually, let me. Oh, so this would actually be turning the partial into a page component, which gets back to why we have decided to split. Okay. This is cool. Anyway, the main quick follow-up was that yesterday there was a templating issue. That's not what we ran into. What we would prefer to do would be, I'm wondering if we could, it won't let it, we don't let it do things like that. So Mark right now is just your building assistant, and we use Claude to actually make stuff. So if I was to tell it, I mean, I'm just kind of curious now. Actually, how about this? Why don't, see, this is why voice is important. And yesterday I was like, we'll get voice. I started rolling it in, and then I'm like, typing's okay, but really where voice ends up being more of a tool is here. Cause like I could just talk it and you don't have to hear me be like, dot, 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 right? Anyway, because we're going to ultimately build Arborist sites. So why don't we copy this homepage? And, I think what would be cool would be timestamps, because we don't have to sit through this. But then, I don't know, maybe it's also interesting to see it working. Yeah, see, exactly. So we should look at expanding the permissions. But hey, you know what? A lot of this was geared towards, again, the non-tech. So I'm not even, can I copy? Oh, weird. Interesting. Wow. Rooted in care. I love that. That's amazing. Dude. All right. It looks like it kind of glitched on the buttons, though, huh? Let's see what happened. Looks all right. Oh, all right. I guess that's a breakpoint. Interesting. Well, we'll have to figure out. I wonder if that's a. I didn't realize I jacked up the percentage. No, it's okay. So that. All right. We are deviating from the HTML. It should be then. Rooted in care. How good? Oh my! How great is that? That's amazing, dude. Oh, so this would be a site based. So that's interesting. We might need to look into site theme, but then, all right, right on cue. Neighbors landscape. Let's do another quick little demo and then we're outie. Uh-oh. Oh my God. There's some kind of UI glitch there. Let's make it playful. Or I'm sorry, a delectable. New York Times calls it a delectable. What's that? All right, now it's like. Why isn't that? Let's get growing. There's some kind of cache. Pause. While we're here, this was the thing that wasn't working yesterday, so I decided not to demo it. Let's see if the image at least changes. All right, well, something. All right, so there's something there. Let's get growing. That's kind of works too, right? Let's see if we got an image that works better. Hey, how about this one? Nah. Anyway, I was on a demo with, this was Webflow the other day, and that actually started this whole spiral. So Mason Poe, Neil Shivdasani, baby. Let's see what we got. Let's find a fun image. Not take too long to do it, though. How about this one? You know what? Let's have some. Can we just have some fun, please, for once in our life? Can we? Anyway, let's get growing, baby. All right. That's fun. Hey. Cool. I mean.